Hello everybody! Well, sex can be an amazingly nurturing experience, and sex can also be an amazingly or not so amazingly frustrating and triggering experience, and it can be anything in between on that spectrum. In this video, I will share with you how touch can help you move towards having sex be something that's deeply nurturing and fulfilling, and help you move out of it being frustrating, triggering, not fulfilling, if that's where you're at. By the end of this video, you'll know why touch is so important and what kinds of touch to use to make your relationship and your intimacy and your sex life deeply blissful and a deeply fulfilling experience that creates connection and peace and harmony. For the best intimacy and relationship advice, subscribe to my channel. You do that by clicking subscribe down below this video where the little bell is, so that you can get notified every Friday when I publish a new video around how to create blissfully bonded, sacred unions, how to heal the feminine and masculine, and how to bring peace to our relationships in this life on this earth. I've helped hundreds, if not thousands of people heal their lives, and with that, heal their relationships and heal their intimacy, heal their sexuality, and make it so that the intimacies and their sexuality becomes a source of continuous bliss, stability, and a feeling that you're really living your life. I believe that we came to this earth to have the best experience that's possible. And to me, I know that having paradise is possible, and it comes from allowing ourselves to have the best in life, living our purpose, and have the best in our relationships, and just be the best that we can be on this earth. So I'm telling you this because I've helped a lot of people, and my hope is that now it's your turn. So let's first talk about why touch is so important when it comes to creating a safe place and creating sex life that's fulfilling. And then let's also talk about what kinds of touch there are, because there's different kinds that do different things. One way of touching leads to closeness and happiness and connectedness, and the other kind of touch leads to separation, unhappiness, strain, arguments, headbutting, bickering, disharmony, and shit, so to speak. All the stuff that we really do not want to experience with our partners. So now that you know why touch is so important, let's look at the two kinds. When we touch, we communicate, and so our intention is felt by the other person. And the two kinds of touch are either self-centered, which means when you're touching, you're really touching because you're wanting something, you're asking for something. You're touching the other person because, to give you an example, you might be touching your partner's genitals to turn them on so that you can have sex. And we're not doing this necessarily on purpose or consciously, but the first way that we touch is for getting to get, or for something for ourselves. The second way that we touch is for giving and loving. So when we touch in the second way, our attention is on our partner and figuring out what feels good to him or her, and playing with it and having the intention completely off of ourselves and our focus and intention on making the other person happy. The first way of touching is generally connected with procreation-based sex. The second way of touching is connected, or is the basis for bonding-based lovemaking and carezza. So next time when you're touching, just check in with yourself. Are you touching because it's making you turned on, or are you touching because it's making her or him turned on so that you can have sex? Or are you completely focused on giving and loving your partner through your touch? So that's where I would recommend you start. And obviously, I would recommend for you to get the Cupid's Poison Arrow, or find other books on carezza, watch these other videos that I have on bonding-based lovemaking, and start implementing more of that into your way of relating sexually, because I believe that in order for you to have an amazing, fulfilling, nurturing, stable love life, not just in the bedroom, but outside of the bedroom, that's the best remedy that we have. available to us on this planet. So I hope this was helpful. Now that you know what to do in order to bring more fulfillment to your sex life, I recommend you check out the other resources I have. I have a masterclass on how to bring intimacy back into your relationship for couples and how to create blissfully connected, bonded, divine unions. If that's of interest to you, the link for the masterclass is in the comment or is in the description below. I also have a free Facebook group where we talk about these topics and I share resources and tips and things, because most of us don't talk about this publicly or in our everyday life. So I've created a safe place where we can explore these topics. The link for that is also in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If it helped you, like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and check out these other related videos. All my love to you, and see you in the next video. Bye.